Welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of Kourtney Kardashian's 5-day fitness plan. Thank you for joining me again. In case you guys missed yesterday, I reviewed her cardio day, so the link is in the description box below, so go ahead and just click that. But today is day 2, and it's my favorite day because it's all about the abs. So she has 5 moves that will total a 6-minute ab workout. We're gonna do each move for 30 seconds, so let's get right to it. What you'll need is a BOSU ball. If you don't have a BOSU ball, you can always do it without. Move number 1 is just doing a push-up on the BOSU ball. So down and up for 30 seconds. I feel like this is working my arms more than my abs. Okay, that was move number 1. Move number 2 is a push-up with alternating knees to the chest for 30 seconds. So push up and then knee. Okay, my arms are definitely burning. I'm starting to feel my abs. Move number 3 is what's called a jackknife push-up. So you do a push-up and then you open your legs, open, close. Push up, open, close. Oh, starting to slow down. Okay. I might just have really weak arms, but I'm feeling it more on my shoulders than my abs right now. All right, move number 4, it's a push-up into extended knee to elbow for 30 seconds. Move number 5, our final move, it's a jump squat landing on the BOSU. And because it's imbalanced, it works your abs. Even though I feel like this is more of a leg exercise, Kourtney claims it works your abs. Okay, so now you repeat that 2 more times. When I first started, I got about 20 push-ups, but now that I'm on my 3rd set, I'm gonna just take it down to the knees. And it's still working your abs, but it just works your arms a little less. Okay. My thoughts. That was a tough 6 minutes, definitely. Now, I personally would not do that to work my abs. I have different exercises that I work my abs that I like better, but everyone, each to their own. So Kourtney does that to work your abs. To be honest, the only thing that's really hurting right now are my arms. So for me, I would pick different exercises for my abs. Even though Kourtney's ab workout was a good workout, I personally was not very fond of it to work my abs. I love my personal ab workout. So if you guys want to know what I do for abs, I'll make a whole separate video on that. So stay tuned because that's coming out soon. But we still have 3 more days in Kourtney Kardashian's 5-day fitness plan. So stay tuned for tomorrow because we're going to be talking about the booty.